Most people will work for 40 years and still retire with almost nothing. It's not because they did not make enough money. It's really because no one ever showed them how to make their money work for them. Today, we are fixing that. I am going to walk you through one of the most powerful retirement tools available to you, how it works, and how to get started even if you are just beginning. What if you could invest your money today, watch it grow for 30 years, and then withdraw every single dollar completely tax-free in retirement? That is exactly what a Roth IRA does. Welcome back to Mind Over Money HQ. I am glad you are here. Only 39% of adults under 30 have any retirement savings at all. If you are in that other 61%, this video is for you. And if you already have a retirement account, stick around, because you are about to find out if you are using the right one. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement savings account. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. What makes the Roth IRA different from a regular savings account is two things. First, the money you put in grows tax-free. Second, when you take it out in retirement, you pay zero taxes on it. Here is how that works. With a regular paycheck, you pay income taxes before the money hits your account. With a Roth IRA, you contribute that already taxed money into the account. Because you already paid taxes on it, the government does not tax it again when you withdraw it in retirement. That is a powerful deal, especially if you are young and expect your income to grow over time. Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. What is the difference? People often confuse these two. Here is the simple version. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars. That lowers your taxable income today. But when you withdraw the money in retirement, you pay taxes on it then. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars. You do not get a tax break today. But your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. If you are in your 20s or 30s and expect to be in a higher tax bracket later in life, the Roth IRA wins. You pay taxes now at a lower rate and avoid taxes later when the money has grown. The contribution limits. You can contribute up to $7,500 per year to a Roth IRA if you are under 50. If you are 50 or older, the limit goes up to $8,600 to help you catch up. You have until April 15th to make contribution. Now, here is the income limit piece. To contribute the full amount as a single filer, your income needs to be under $153,000. For married couples filing jointly, it is under $242,000. If your income is above those limits, your contribution amount starts to phase out. If you are under those limits, you are good to go. Why starting early makes a massive difference. This is the part that, honestly, most people do not fully grasp until it is just a bit too late. A Roth IRA does not just hold your money, it grows your money. And you know, the growth compounds over time, which means you earn returns on top of returns. Here is a real example for you. If you invest $7,500 per year starting at age 25 and your account grows at an average of 8% per year, you would have over $2 million by age 65. Tax-free. But if you wait until age 35 to start, that same contribution rate gives you around $900,000 by age 65. Still great, of course. But you left over $1 million on the table simply by waiting 10 years. Time is the most valuable thing you have when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Where to open one and how to get started. Opening a Roth IRA is honestly easier than most people think. You do not need a financial advisor or a large sum of money. 3 of the most popular places to open a Roth IRA are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. All 3 are well established, have no account minimums to get started, and offer a wide range of investment options. Once you open the account, you need to choose what to invest in. If you are just starting out, a simple target date retirement fund is a really solid choice. You pick the fund closest to your expected retirement year, and it automatically adjusts your investments as you get older. No guesswork required. From there, set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $100 or $200 per month adds up significantly over time. Automate it and forget it. That is the system. There you have it. The Roth IRA explained in plain English. If you learned something today, hit the like button. It helps more people find this channel. And if someone in your life keeps putting off retirement savings, share this video with them. The best time to start is right now.